What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most exciting technologies in the world today. It is changing the way we live, work, study, and communicate. From smartphones and smart assistants to self-driving cars and medical diagnosis, AI is becoming a part of our everyday lives. But what exactly is artificial intelligence, and how does it work? Let's understand it in simple words. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, thinking, solving problems, recognizing images and voices, understanding language, and making decisions. Instead of following only fixed instructions, AI systems can analyze data, learn from experience, and improve their performance over time. For example, when you ask a virtual assistant like Siri or Google Assistant a question, it understands your voice, searches for information, and gives you an answer. This is artificial intelligence in action. How does artificial intelligence work? AI works by collecting and analyzing large amounts of data. It looks for patterns, learns from examples, and uses that knowledge to make predictions or decisions. For instance, if an AI system is shown thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it learns the differences between them. Later, when you show it a new picture, it can identify whether it is a cat or a dog with high accuracy. The more data an AI system receives, the better it becomes at performing its tasks. Types of artificial intelligence. There are three main types of AI. 1. Narrow AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task. It cannot do everything a human can do, but it performs its assigned task very well. Examples include voice assistants, face recognition, email spam filters, recommendation systems on YouTube and Netflix, navigation apps like Google Maps. Most AI systems used today belong to this category. 2. General AI. General AI refers to a machine that can think, learn, and perform almost any intellectual task like a human being. This type of AI does not yet exist. Scientists and researchers are still working toward developing it. 3. Super AI. Super AI is a theoretical concept where machines become more intelligent than humans in every field, including creativity, reasoning, and decision-making. At present, super AI is only an idea discussed in research and science fiction. Examples of AI in everyday life: Google Search, YouTube video recommendations, Netflix movie suggestions, ChatGPT, Siri and Google Assistant, Face Unlock on smartphones, Google Translate, email spam detection, online shopping recommendations, navigation apps. Advantages of artificial intelligence. AI offers many benefits. It can complete tasks much faster than humans. It reduces human errors. It can work 24 hours a day without getting tired. It helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. It improves customer service through chatbots. It makes online shopping more personalized. It increases productivity in businesses and industries. It assists students in learning new skills. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Despite its benefits, AI also has some challenges. It can replace certain jobs through automation. Developing AI systems can be expensive. AI depends heavily on large amounts of data. Privacy and security concerns may arise. AI systems can sometimes make incorrect decisions. Some people misuse AI to create fake images, videos, or scams.
Where is AI used? Artificial intelligence is used in many different fields. Education. AI helps students learn through personalized lessons, language translation, and intelligent tutoring systems. Healthcare. Doctors use AI to detect diseases, analyze medical images, and support treatment decisions. Banking. Banks use AI to detect fraud, improve customer support, and assess financial risks. Transportation. AI powers self-driving technology, traffic prediction, and route optimization. Entertainment. Streaming platforms recommend movies, music, and videos based on user preferences. Business. Companies use AI for customer service, marketing, sales forecasting, and data analysis.